Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Moshir Rahman. Dear viewers, this channel is only for the students who would like to learn English systematically. So watch from the video number 1 lest any important points should be missed. Okay, dear students, today I am going to teach you about sentence connectors that are very important in English grammatical items. Sentence connectors, the connected words or phrases to beautify the meaning of a sentence are known as sentence connectors. Sentence connectors may be at the beginning of a sentence, or at the middle of the sentence, or at the end of a sentence. Okay, I'm going to write on the whiteboard. Sentence connectors. Sentence connectors. The connected words or phrase to beautify the meaning of a sentence are known as sentence connectors. Dear students, I have written the definition of sentence connectors. The connected words or phrase to beautify the meaning of a sentence are known as sentence connectors. Sentence connectors may be at the beginning of the sentence, at the middle of the sentence, or even at the end of the sentence. For example, fortunately, we won the game. Dear students, I have already written a sentence on the whiteboard. Fortunately, we won the game. I have used a sentence connector called fortunately at the beginning of the sentence. Fortunately, we won the game. Okay, this is a sentence connector because this connected word has been used here to beautify the meaning of the sentence. If I write another sentence, he has come home so that he can meet his mother. He has come home so that he can meet his mother. Dear students, I have also written another sentence as for example. Okay, he has come home so that he can meet his mother. And I have used a sentence connector called so that at the middle of the sentence. And this word has been used here to beautify the meaning of the sentence. It has been used only to beautify the meaning of the sentence. So it is sentence connector. If I write another example to show the sentence connector at the end of the sentence, like my sister has studied in Dhaka University. I want to study here. Dear students, I have written another example. My sister has studied in Dhaka University. I also want to study here. I have used another word at the end of the sentence. Okay, and this word here is a sentence connector because this word has been used here to beautify the meaning of the sentence only. Okay, so the connected words or phrase to beautify the meaning of the sentence are known as sentence connectors. Sentence connectors may be at the beginning, at the middle, or even at the end. Dear students, some examples I am going to write on the whiteboard. Some ordinal words or phrase are sentence connectors like ordinal, some ordinal words or phrase some ordinal words or phrase are sentence connectors like first, second, third, in that way. Firstly, secondly, thirdly, finally. At first, then, after that, next, at last. Dear students, some ordinal words or phrase are sentence connectors like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, in that way. Firstly, secondly, thirdly, fourthly, finally. You can also write at first, then, after that, next, at last. Okay. WH question words like ho, home, hose, what, where, when, why, which, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and how. Dear students, WH question words are also sentence connectors. You can also use these words in any sentence as sentence connectors. What are the words? Ho, home, hose, what, where, when, Why, which, how. WH question words. Words of place. Words of place. Words of place like here, there, up, down, above. Dear students, some words of place are also used in any sentence as sentence connectors. What are the words? Here, there, up, down, above. Some example words. Some example words. Some example words like, for example, for instance, such as, like as. Dear students, some example words are also used in any sentence as sentence connectors. What are the words? For example, for instance, such as, like as. Okay. Some phrase like, on the other hand, on the contrary, as soon as much as. Okay. Some phrases are also used in any sentence as sentence connectors. What are the phrases? On the other hand, on the contrary, as soon as much as far as, okay, at present, and so on. Conjunctions. Conjunctions like, and, but, therefore, since, as, because, if, though, although, till, until, unless, etc. Dear students, conjunctions are also used in any sentence as sentence connectors. Conjunctions like and, or, but, therefore, since, as, because, if, though, although, till, until, unless. Dear students, adverbs. 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 Fortunately, actually, similarly, ... Dear students, adverbs are also used in any sentence as sentence connectors. Adverbs like fortunately, actually, similarly, dot. These words can be used as sentence connectors in any sentence too. Okay. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative correlative conjunctions. The conjunctions which are the conjunctions which are coming to us purely, like not only dot but also, neither nor, either or, as as, nosana then. Dear students, correlative conjunctions. The conjunctions which come as purely, okay, if one conjunction comes, another one must come, like not only but also. If not only comes but also will also come, neither nor, either or, as as, no sooner had, scarcely when, hardly when or before, both and, in that way. Dear students, now I have finished teaching you about sentence connectors. If you have any questions, you can ask me writing in the comment box. I will try my level best to answer. Okay. If you would like to know more in detail, you can watch the next videos one by one. For more videos, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.